Unplug your range before starting the repair. Locate and remove the 7 knobs from the control panel. Open the oven door. Locate and remove the 3 screws from under the control panel. Remove the control panel, but not all the way, because it's still connected to the unit. Wear gloves, the control panel has sharp edges. Locate and remove the 2 screws from under the top panel. Remove the grates from the top panel. Remove the burners from the top panel. Locate and remove the 12 screws from the top panel. On the back of the unit, remove the 2 screws on each top corner of the unit. Remove the top panel from the unit. Locate the cooling fan inside the unit. Unplug these 3 cables from the cooling fan. Locate and remove the 6 screws around the cooling fan. 2 of the screws are in hard-to-reach spots, so use a long and skinny screwdriver to remove them. Remove the old cooling fan and replace it with the new one. Secure the cooling fan to the unit with the 6 screws from earlier. Plug in the green cable to the left side of the cooling fan. Plug in the white cable to the left plug. Plug in the black cable to the right plug. Place the top panel onto the unit. On the back of the unit, use a screwdriver to secure the 2 screws on each top corner. Use a screwdriver to secure the lower burners to the top panel. There's 12 screws in total. Place the burners back onto the unit. Place the grates back onto the unit. Use a screwdriver to secure the top panel to the unit. There's 2 screws in total. Slide the control panel into the 3 slots on the unit. Secure the control panel to the unit with the 3 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Place the knobs back onto the unit.